told me I never amount to nothing. To all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on me when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip-hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
You know very well who you are. Don't let them hold you down. Reach for the stars. You have to go when I'm saying your name, 'cause you're the only one.
I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap, I smoke skunk with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Moet and Alizé keep me pissy. Girls used to diss me, now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing gats and stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast, condos in Queens, Indo for weeks. Sold out seats to hear Biggie Smalls speak.
Dreams, it's reality. Do you wanna go to Magic City with me?
Anything I want, what I need, a little dance. Oh, for real, everything you got, that's what I need. So do that dance.
I'm from the West, but I lean and I rock. In the club, 20 G's in the wall. Shorty's hard, I gotta make her mine for the night. She got an apple bite and my mama feed her right. I'm like, my name is Royal City Girl, and I was wondering if you would take me to your world. Heard that there's a place you got that both me and you could go. I won't let my mama know, we could keep it on the low. So it's on, bring me to your city, girl. I could be your volunteer, you be my magician, girl. Back to the room, she put me on a chair. With just a touch of magic, her genius disappeared.
I know a place you never wanna leave, only in your dreams. It's